Okay. You know, dalawang beses umalis papuntang Amerika si Jaya. 1985, sabi mo, to be exact,
Yep.
Tita Elizabeth, who I truly, dearly loved, okay?
Thank you.
Decided to move to the U.S. 2021, you and your family
Yes.
and Gary decided to move to the U.S. Go back to the two experiences. What do you remember? What do you remember? What were the biggest challenges in both movements?
Okay, so nung una, we left kasi si Mama na-book as one of the performers dun sa LA show and San Francisco show or something like that. And ang nanay ko, alam niyang kasama niya si Tito Eddie Mercado, Kuya Rico J. Puno, Miss Lerma de la Cruz at siya. So sabi niya sa producer, Dong, isama ko na itong anak ko, Dong. Kay mag-isa lang siya dito, ilang taon lang ito, 15 lang ito, Dong. Sabi ng producer, hindi po pwede kasi kayo lang po ang kakayaning dalhin. Sabi niya, ay, bahala na kayo. Wala nang Elizabeth Ramsey dyan. Kasi yung anak ko, pag naiwan yan, iwan din ako. So, she made sure that naisama ako sa pagpunta ng Amerika kasi naisip niya, wala akong future dito. Yun ang una niyang thought. So, pagdating namin ng Amerika, imbis na kasama lang ako yung parang naging opening act nung concert. So, doon na talaga nag-start yung professional job as a singer. Kasi yung sa Pilipinas, puchu-puchu, 10 years old dancer, yung mga ganun-ganun na mga dancer, yung mga naka-costume.
Nagbaback up ka pa.
Ganun, pak. Ang mga, hindi siya 1, 2, 3, 4, ano siya, pak, ganon. So, then 12 years old singer.
Okay.
So, kung saan si Mamang perform, natutunan ko na yung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari.
Fast forward to 2021.
Then 2021, iba yon. Nagkaroon ng pandemic, wala tayong mga trabaho. Naisip ko, we were really deeply rooted at the time with Favor Church. We were going to church, trying to find answers to what we really wanted to be, what we wanted to do in life. Klaro yan sa asawa ko nung nagka-stroke siya, gumaling siya after 3 days. Now mind you, hindi siya na-paralytic. Wala, yung mata lang niya ang nag-move.
Okay, na-stroke?
Na-stroke, gumaling after
3 days. Yes.
Sa hospital eh.
Right.
And then, thinking about it, sabi ko, parang wala, yung puso ko, parang ayaw na kumanta. Kasi I wanted to quit many times.
Yeah.
Not only in singing, but in life.
Right.
So, naisip ko, Lord, tama na to. Ayoko na. Nanay na lang ako kung talagang kailangan naming umalis, aalis kami.
And other challenges happened. The fire.
Oh, that was after.
That was after.
We moved without thinking about the consequences of the move. Eh, pagdating po namin ng Amerika, yun na nga, God had other plans. Dumami po yung trabaho ko during the pandemic.
Oo.
Nag-TOEFL tayo, nagkita pa tayo noon.
Oo.
And
At
then,
magtotofa tayo muli.
ulit sa October 17 in Las Vegas.
That's right.
Yun pong sunog nangyari a year after on the 16th birthday of Sabria, my daughter. Nag-Stevie B concert ako kasi ginagawa ko yung Stevie B concerts ulit.
We need an hour for this because Stevie B played a very important role.
Yes.
That's where you started actually.
Yes.
Okay.
And pagbalik galing San Antonio, Texas, birthday niya, nag-set up ng candles, happy birthday to you, mga 5 minutes pa lang. Pag-blow ng candles, bakit yung sahig may usok? Yung vent. Sabi ko, Gavin, yung aking anak na isa, go downstairs and check what's going on. There's like smoke happening here. Mom, fire! Achuchuchu! Labas.
Oo.
So yun, fire wasn't really something for us. It was a test of faith not only for my family but for the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Because you have to understand po, ang Washington State is one of the most unchurched states.
Okay. All right.
And that's kind of, yun yung nagbuo sa amin ng bonggang-bongga. Yung tipong wala nang makakatibag pa sa faith natin and sa pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.